Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mysore location. It is from Karnataka. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there are many job openings available for the assistant accounts executive position and also sales executive and also mail helper positions for loading and unloading goods. So firstly, for assistant accounts executive position, female graduates are required and also 1 year of experience in tally is required for this position. So coming to sales executive position, male graduates are required. So it is for you can check here with the address locations and also with the contact number to approach them. Next one, there are openings available for the registered pharmacist position. So with working QP, so one vacancies are available for this position. It will be full time, part time, and contract basis. So and also for the B, qualification will be B Pharma or D Pharma. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this registered pharmacist position. So for more detailed information, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 7349317639. Next one, there are openings available for the very well-known and reputed five-star resort with 73 rooms, spa and convention center based in Mysore. So they have vacancies for the steward or senior steward or captain, maintenance technician, plumber, spa therapist or beautician, commie and CDP. So and also front office assistant or executive and also for the houseman. So these are the vacancies are available for the reputed five-star resort. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone number and also you can send your resumes to the provided mail ID, that is hrmanager.ssrs@gmail.com. Next one, there are openings available from KNC Innovative Global School located in Mysore. So they have vacancies for the teachers for middle school for the subjects of English, Science and Social Science subjects. Graduation with BEd is required for these positions. So interested candidates can send their resumes to the provided mail ID, that is career@kncinnovativeglobalschool.com. Next one, there are openings available for the Srikanteshwara Private Limited. So they have openings for the office work, accounts and stock department. So female or male candidates, both either candidates are required for this position and qualification will be any diploma, become BBM. So either pass or fail, those candidates are required for this position. So it is for Nanjangud location. So for more detailed information about this notification, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. Next one, there are openings available for a manufacturing industry located in Hood Gully industrial area. So they requires the candidates for the private labeling position. So it is for only female candidates. So any science graduates are eligible to apply for this position and also you should be required 2 to 3 years of experience in relevant field. So coming to skills, fluency in English and Hindi is required and also good communication skills are required. So for more detailed information and interested candidates can send their resumes to the provided mail ID, that is hrbachem689@gmail.com. Next one, there are openings available for admin assistant position for customer relaxation. So any degree or MBA candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So salary will be up to 25,000 rupees and above. So it is for female candidates only. So interested candidates can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this notification. Next one, there are openings for manager position for a institution in Mysore with good experience in education field is required. So interested candidates can send their resume to the provided mail ID, that is managerpost99@gmail.com. Next one, there are openings available from the Mysore School of Architecture. So they have vacancies for the HR executive position, experience as HR of schools and colleges, and the candidate must be experienced and energetic. Outstanding interpersonal skills are required, and you should be having minimum 2 to 3 years of experience. So interested candidates can walk into the below address. So they have provided here the contact number to approach them. Next one, there are openings for the marketing executive position. So with 1 to 2 years of experience is required and two-wheeler is must. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this position. Next one, there are openings for medical instruments and also marketing persons. So these are the vacancies are available for a newly opened company in Mysore. So those who have similar experience only can apply for these positions. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information. Next one, there are openings for a supervisors and cashier positions for a reputed company in Mysore. So for these positions, minimum 2 to 3 years of experience is required. So the candidate from the retail background. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information about these positions. Next one, there are openings available from GSSS Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women. So they have openings available for the faculty like in the departments of ISC and CSE and ECE. So they require associate professors or assistant professors in the departments provided here, like and also for the MBA they require assistant professors, and for administration department they require FDA or SDA. So qualification and experience as per the AICTE norms. So please check with all the details provided here. So and also they have vacancies available for the assistant professor position from GSSS School of Architecture for Women. So for these positions, qualification as per the COA norms with the 2 years of minimum experience is required. So salary will be based on the qualification and experience. So 2 or 3 BHK accommodation will also be provided for the post of associate professor. So interested candidates can apply to these positions on and before 24th July 2021. So for more detailed information, you can also go through with the website link, that is www.geetashishu.in. One, there are vacancies available from Techno Task Business Solutions Private Limited. So graduates and undergraduates with 6 months experience, excellent English and Hindi and good communication skills are required for these positions from the Techno Task Business Solutions Private Limited. So salary will be 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. Interested candidates can walk into the interview between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. So interested candidates, you can also contact them with the given phone numbers for more detailed information. Next one, there are openings available from the Shiradi Sai Driving School. So they have vacancies for the office boy, receptionist and four-wheeler instructor. So interview will be from like from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. It will be on Sunday. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information. Next one, there are openings available for female telecallers. So it job location will be Kalidasa Road, and salary will be 8,000 to 12,000 rupees, and along with the incentives for these positions, and work timings will be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So coming to qualification details, it will be PUC and any degree. So these candidates are eligible to apply for these positions. So interested candidates can approach them with the given phone numbers for more detailed information. Next one, there are openings available from Manappuram Home Finance Limited. So they have vacancies for the sales officer position located in Mysore. So freshers or experienced candidates both are eligible to apply for these positions. Age should be below 25 years and degree will be mandatory, and so interested candidates can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this notification. Next one, there are openings available for data entry operator position. So typing net speed should be 25 WPM with 90% accuracy and knowledge of MS Excel is required. So qualification will be PUC and diploma and any graduation, and you are going to get 7,000 to 18,000 rupees per month for this position, and interview timings will be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So you need to walk into the interview to the provided address details. So it will be in Mysore, and they have also provided here the contact numbers to approach them. So you please check with the details provided here. Next one, there are openings available for experienced in-house graphic designer for a reputed company in Mysore, and they have provided here the contact number to approach them. So for more detailed information you can please go through with the information. Next one, there are openings available for the experienced pest control technicians for a reputed FMCG company in Mysore. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9686 666 Next one, there are openings available from premium car driver position for the position of accountant for a reputed company. So you should be having above 5 years of experience with the flexibility to coordinate with banks, government offices, licensing, etc. So interested candidates can send their resumes to the provided mail ID, that is hr.sriranga@gmail.com, and you can also check here with the contact number to approach them. So the candidate should know all Bangalore and Mysore roads. Next one, there are openings available for experienced sales and marketing executives. So it is for only male candidates for a reputed real estate firm in Mysore with good communication skills are required for these positions. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone number, that is 916 4467558. Next one, there are openings available for male staff and also for driver positions for a medical store or pharma distributors. So for these positions, qualification will be SSLC or PUC, pass or fail, with or without experience. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone numbers for more detailed information. There are openings available for car driver come office assistant position and also experienced plumber position. So interested candidates can send their resumes to the provided mail ID, and phone calls timing will be 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information between 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Next one, there are openings available for male or female accountant position and also furnishers, fitters and helpers positions. So it is for only male candidates. Like a second position will be for male candidates. And for coming to accountant position, well knowledge of Tally, ERP9, accounts maintenance is must. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone numbers for more detailed information. Next one, there are openings available from Basava Marga Foundation located in Mysore. So they have vacancies for the male nurse and counselor position. Attractive salary with the food and accommodation will be provided. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information. Next one, there are openings available from Sri Sharada School of Law. So it is in Chikmagalur location. So they have job vacancies for the principal, like principal positions. LLM and PhD will be the qualification, and also with the minimum 2 years of teaching experience is required. And also they have vacancies for the assistant professor position. So for this position, qualification would be LLM and along with the NET or KSET is required, and with the minimum 1 year of teaching experience is required for this position. So interested candidates can send their CVs to the provided mail ID, that is law@sset.org.in. So they have also mentioned here the contact numbers to approach them. So if you have any queries regarding this job notification, you can approach them with the given contact numbers. One, there are openings available for delivery boys. So attractive salary and incentives will be provided for these positions. Interested candidates can contact them with the given phone numbers for more detailed information. Next one, there are openings available for telecallers, business partner, agency partner, and marketing executives. So it is for a reputed co and VV in VV Mohalla. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone numbers for more detailed information about these positions. Next one, there are openings for boys to work in petrol bunk near highway circle. So you can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information about these positions from the petrol bunk. Next one, there are job vacancies available from the Jain Steel Industries. So it will be a leading building materials trading company. So they requires marketing executives. So candidates should have experience in selling structural, steel and hardware products. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information, and you can also send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is maheshm.mysore@gmail.com. One, there are vacancies available for channel partners, marketing executives, telecallers for a reputed property company in Mysore. So both candidates, either freshers or experienced, can apply for these positions. So attractive salary plus incentives you are going to get. So interested candidates can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.